Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to change video resolution or video size on this device. So first of all, we have to obviously enter the camera app, so let's tap on it. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so this is a default mode which is set. So we have to switch to the video one. As you can see here, we've got the video, so simply tap on it. Since it is marked, what's more, if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So right now we have to take a look at this option bar at the very top, and on this on the second position from the right, we've got the video size, let's say video resolution. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got two different options. So we've got the FHD option and HD option. Both of them are with 30 frames per second. So right now we've got FHD option applied. You can see that it is highlighted in this yellow color. So all we can do is to simply tap on HD in order to change. And as you can see, it is notified right here. So it means that from now on, your device will record videos in chosen resolution. Of course, after tapping on it, you can also see that this option is highlighted. So actually, this is it. This is how to change video resolution or video size in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.